Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use your bottle warmer in 10 different ways. If you have bought a bottle warmer and you're no more using it because your baby is just a toddler now, or you're not using it as frequently as you did with a newborn, so I have 10 different ways you can utilize your bottle warmer still. So keep on watching the video, and do subscribe to my channel and like this video and do comment as well. So the first way is definitely warming up the baby's milk. The water warmer is actually made to warm up baby's food, so that is a very basic function that this device performs. So you're gonna just make your milk, it's formula milk or the pumped milk, because you cannot just warm up the pumped milk in the microwave oven, so it's very safe and reliable to warm the pumped milk in the bottle warmer, as you cannot use it in the microwave, as it just ruins the pumped milk as well. So warming up the milk in water, warm water, is the ideal way to feed your baby. It just doesn't affect the nutrients of the milk, and warms up it at the right temperature, because in the microwave oven, you can just forget it, or the oven might heat it up, because different voltages are present in different microwaves. So it's better and safe to warm your milk in the bottle warmer. The second way you can use your bottle warmer is to warm the baby oil. It's very important that you massage your baby oil, and the best way to warm the baby oil is through the bottle warmer. You just turn the bottle warmer to the highest setting, so it will warm the oil very quickly, and then you can use the warmed up milk to massage your baby's body and complete body, or only legs. It's very important that you massage your baby's leg every now and then. It's just gonna help him crawl and ultimately walk one day. So warming the baby's oil is another way you can use the bottle warmer. So here you can see there are three settings: warming milk, and then quickly doing it, and then there's also an option to warm up the food as well. So here I am putting it to the highest setting, because I just want to warm up the oil very very fast. So the one way to use it is to warm the oil as well. Third way you can do is boiling the water. There are times in your life when you are traveling, or there are some reasons you have no access to boiling water and you have to travel. So what you can do is you can just fill a feeding bottle completely with water, and put it in the bottle warmer, and put it to the highest setting, and it's just gonna boil the water or make it very very hot. So you can just mix it up with the water at room temperature, and you can put it in thermos, or you can just keep the boiling water in thermos. So it's very easy for you to travel with the baby, and you can put the boiling water in the thermos, and it will stay hot for a longer period of time. So this was the third way you can use the bottle warmer. uh, the third way is to boil the water, and store it in the thermos to make the baby's milk while you're traveling or you don't have access to boiling water. The fourth way is using a washcloth. There can be times that you don't have hot water in the tap, so you can just make some water boil in the bottle warmer, and dip the washcloth inside it, and you can use this to wipe baby's body. You can only use it for wiping his face, but make sure that the washcloth is not steaming hot, because it's better to use warm things with the baby: warm oil, warm water, and a washcloth that is dipped into hot water. So you can also use it to clean his body if you don't necessarily give him baths during winter, because it's not also recommended, because babies are just small and they're not immune to the colds. And if it's the first cold of your baby, you should be extra careful with your baby as well. So here's another way you can use the bottle warmer, is by using the washcloth dipped in hot water. The fifth way is using dry makeup to freshen up. What you can do is you can just place some water in the bottle warmer and set it to the highest setting. It will make the water boil very fast. Then you are gonna place your dry makeup. Mostly our mascaras, our liners tend to dry up in the colder seasons because of lack of humidity in the weather, or because it has been open for so long, so it just dries up. So what you can do is place your makeup products inside the bottle warmer where there is hot and warm water, so it's just gonna help the makeup, and it will be as good as new. So do try the steps at home. You can use bottle warmer even if it is useless after some time because your baby has just grown out of certain age. You can use it for different purposes. So here I'm sharing my experience with the bottle warmers in different ways that I'm using my bottle warmer as well. So the next way you can use the bottle warmer is using is as a steamer. What you can do is, especially in winter times, if you have nasal congestion, what you can do is take a towel and set the bottle warmer to the highest setting. As you can see the steam coming out of it, and you can use it as a simple facial steamer. You can place your face on it, over it, and place a towel over your head, and it will be a simple facial steamer. Or the other way to use it is as putting some congestion balm. Here I have this one from the Botanical Wonders. Cold and congestion is released by this balm, so you can just add it in the water and place your face over it and a towel over your head, and it's gonna work as a steamer. So you don't need to buy those fancy steamers and help your congestion go away. So you can also add a balm like this or Vicks, or just steam, have steam from the bottle warmer, and you will feel much better. The next way you can use the bottle warmer is use as an oil diffuser. What you can do is, we all know how basic oil diffusers work. There's just water boiling, and you just add drops of any essential oil, and it's just gonna magically work like oil diffusers. So this is the same you can do with the bottle warmer as well. You can just set it to the highest setting, and the water will become hot and the steam is coming out. So you're just gonna add the essential oil, the favorite scent that you like, and you're just gonna add it in your bottle warmer and let it sit there for a couple of minutes, and then you will see a significant difference in the scent of the room or wherever you have switched it on. So it can be easily used as an oil diffuser. But make sure after doing all these things or using all the things that I'm telling you, you make sure that you clearly clean the bottle warmer. I have another video on how to clean the bottle warmer as well. I'll link it in the description box below. Go check it out as well. So here's my other way to use the bottle warmer, is that warming baby's food. Sometimes you're just feeding your baby some food during his weaning time or when he's a toddler and it's winters, and you don't want to feed your baby cold food like yogurt and whatnot. So here's just a demo that I'm giving. I've just filled a little bit of banana in the feeding bottle. It has a spoon in front. It makes it easier to feed the baby, and you're just gonna warm your food up. It's better to feed your baby warm food because it's just gonna help with congestion. Again, it's very important that you avoid giving cold milk and cold food to your baby. It's just gonna add up to the congestion of the baby and ultimately restlessness, which you really don't want. So here I'm just warming up the baby's food, and it's going to be at the normalist temperature, and that is what you want to feed your baby as well. So here's how you use it. You just press it from the back, and the food comes from this from the nozzle, and the spoon helps to feed. Then the next way to use it as a DIY air freshener. Now you would be wondering, how is that possible? So it's very easy. You're gonna just again fill some water in the bottle warmer and set it to the highest setting, and you are gonna use some orange peels and cloves in order to make your room smell fresh. So it's just gonna act as an air freshener, DIY air freshener. It's just gonna make your room smell fresh, if not necessarily amazing, but it's just gonna kill all the bacteria and all the bad odors in the atmosphere. So slowly and gradually the bees will release their oils in the water, and due to the steam it will just add up to the smell in the room, and you can use it as a DIY air freshener. So here's a very easy way DIY to do at home and make your room smell fresh. The last and most important and good way you can use the bottle warmer is to cook food. Now you would be wondering how to cook food in this goddamn little thing. So the best part is that you can just set it up in the highest setting possible, and you can boil an egg in the bottle warmer. Eggs don't need that much of a time and they don't need much of the fancy work. So what you're gonna just do, set the bottle warmer to the highest setting and place an egg in the bottle warmer. You can be in certain circumstances where you don't have access to a stove or anything, but you do have a bottle warmer or egg, so you can end up boiling an egg and having it for breakfast. So here are my ways that you can use bottle warmer other than warming up your baby's milk. I hope you really like the video. I have other videos related to the bottle warmer. I'll be linking them in the description box below. Go check them out. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you with the next video. Until then, take care.